Hey guys, so the DeBridge checker is here, and here you can see how many points I personally got. The first distribution I got 3,800 points, and the total points I got 90,600, and the unlocks will be for the next 6 months. The first distribution that you will can unlock is this one. Depending on how many points you have. I think this is a decent amount for me because I haven't used this bridge for the last 2-3 months, but I was using it at first quite frequently. And what you have to do is go on the DeBridge Twitter, the official Twitter account. The links will be in my description. So you basically scroll down a little bit, and here you will see the recent post, the DeBridge DBR checker. So you scroll down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And at 10, you can see DeBridge Foundation. Click on it. So it will basically open you this website. Here you can check your eligibility, enter your address here. And claiming is not live yet, so be aware of scams in the comments. So you can basically connect your wallet or just paste your address to check if you have some allocation. And that's basically it. I would recommend you to paste address, not connect wallet, because there are many scams and many hacks. That's basically what you have to do. Here you can see the total airdrop allocation, season 1 points generated. And as you can see here, unclaimed DBR, which means if there is some unclaimed DBR, maybe they will just give it to all the claimers, and that will be a nice gift. And hopefully this goes to $1, which is unlikely. Most likely this will go to $0.1 or 50 cents, something like that. So that's basically what I want to say in this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.